Hi there, students. Prosody, or prosody as well. These are both uncountable nouns. Let's see. Prosody is the study of the sound and rhythm of poetry. Yeah, it's a study of the meter, of how the rhyme and how the whole thing sounds. So, for example, the limerick, the prosody of a limerick is da 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 da. Okay, and that I've given you the prosody, the rhythm, the pattern of rhythm. Prosody can also be the study or the rhythm and intonation of language, the way that you speak. Yeah, so this would include where you put the stress, how fast you sound, you speak, where you put more emphasis on the words that you put more emphasis on, the volume of certain words. And I think if you want to be a really good speaker of English, prosody, or the prosody of the English language, is something that you need to study. I don't know, for example, the schwa sound in English. This regulates the prosody of many sentences. Yeah, because the schwa sound is very short and very quiet. Yeah, and therefore, after a schwa sound, you're going to have something louder and longer. And this is the idea of prosody. Yeah, it's the way your voice goes up and down in a language. It's the intonation. Yeah, okay. Prosody, the study of the rhythm of poetry, of the different ways to make poetry, the different rhythms and different sounds of poetry. So one of the problems with speaking dead languages, for example ancient Greek, is we don't know how these people sounded when they spoke. We don't know the prosody. We can see the words, but we don't know the intonation. Yeah, we don't know where they put the stress in the sentences and things like that. And that's why it's impossible, or nigh on impossible, to reproduce a dead language, even if you've got it written down for you. Okay, so prosody, it's talking about whether I speak very slowly or very quickly, and where I put the stress in the sentence. Does my voice rise or fall, and where it rises or falls? And that is prosody. Yeah, you can use it in linguistics. I think originally the origin is from poetry. Yeah, because there are many different forms that are recognized, the recognized forms, the recognized ways of writing poems, particularly for the ancient Greeks and the Romans, and still today, if you write a sonnet, you need to follow certain rhythmic rules. Yeah, and this is the prosody. Okay, so formality. This is a formal word. Yeah. I think if you use this in an informal conversation, most people are going to say, and what does that mean? Well, they probably won't. They'll just start looking up and going to Google, and then they probably still won't understand it. Let's see, 7.5 informality. Use in a semi-formal writing or a formal writing. What would I say informally? The rhyme, the meter, the intonation, the stress pattern, something like that. And then as to origin, well, it comes from Latin, prosodia, the accent of a syllable, where you put the accent on a word, which comes from ancient Greek prosodia, which is a song which is sung to music, or the tone of a syllable, yeah, which goes from pros, towards, and olle, a song. Okay, so yeah, effectively when you sing a song, you need the right intonation, you need the right prosody. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Prosody, prosody, is possible with the Z sound as well.